Hello. Today we will introduce about vending machine in Japan. There are so many drink vending machines in the city. Therefore, we can buy drink anywhere. The number of vending machines in Japan is about 5.4 million now. It is very much than the other country. Actually, we will check how many vending machines are set up. We ran on the straight road by bicycle and took a picture. There are a lot of vending machines in a very short distance. Let's check the road. This road is not special. This is common road. There are some convenience store and supermarkets near here. We can buy the drink very easily anywhere. Next, we will announce the sales ranking of the drink in the vending machine in Japan. Top 5 is water. Japanese water is soft water. Many people, especially women, buy water for beauty or diet. Top 4 is Japanese tea. Japanese people like tea. There are many kinds of tea is sold. My favorite tea is lemon. My favorite tea is oolong tea. We often buy tea. Top 3 is cafe au lait. It is very delicious. Top 2 is juice. There are also many kinds of juice. For example, orange juice, apple juice, grape juice, carbonated drink like Coca-Cola. Top 1 is canned coffee. Adult people often drink coffee. Especially there are many kinds of canned coffee in the office. Milk that in the bottle was general. Japanese people invented canned coffee. Moreover, one of people thought that I want to sell hot coffee by the vending machine and invited the vending machine. We can enjoy drink coffee which tastes like brand new. Next, we will introduce the place where vending machines are set up. There are vending machines at a station, so we can buy drinks when we wait the train. The vending machine is set up in all places in the school. It is very convenient for the student. The restroom in the department store also has a vending machine. It is very convenient to be able to buy the drink when taking a rest. The canned coffee is still popular in office. First place is Boss Rainbow Mountain. There are many kinds of vending machine. We can buy many things by vending machine. Especially the number of vending machine of cigarette is many next to the drink. We can buy alcohol in not super but the vending machine. Is this good? It is a vending machine of the ice cream in the home at the station that we are using well. There are a lot of kind too. Then I want to actually buy it. The way to buy is very easy. Money is put and the number of the commodity that want to be buy is pushed.
It is a vending machine where the popularity recently sell the Japanese canned Oden and canned ramen. We are at the Nagoya station and went to the vending machine where the Japanese canned ramen were sold. We bought the canned ramen. Many of canned ramen had been sold out. The canned ramen is used as an emergency food is the emergency. There are memma and chashu in the ramen can. The noodle is made from konjac. The taste is made very firmly and it is delicious. Please eat it.
This is a vending machine of canned oden. Canned oden is very popularity now. The Japanese canned oden be always sold up and down.
Surprisingly, we also can buy bread by vending machines.
Moreover, we can also buy noodle by vending machines. There are many kinds of taste, for example, chicken, curry, and seafood.
Next, we want to talk about problem of vending machine. A lot of vending machines of the cigarette are set up in the road and shop in Japan. Everyone can buy the cigarette at once. It means people who under 28 can buy cigarette, but in Japan minor smoking is prohibited by the law. The campaign to prevent the minor smoking started. A new system was introduced since 2008. This new system is TASPO. Only over 20 years old people can get TASPO card. People need TASPO to buy cigarette in vending machine. In this way, prevent by the cigarette and minor smoking. I want to actually buy cigarette. Money is put and put the TASPO card and push the button.
However, there is still a problem about alcohol. In Japan, only those over 20 years old are legally allowed to drink alcohol. Therefore, under 20 years old people cannot buy alcohol at the store, but the minority can buy alcohol by vending machine easily. I think that vending machine selling alcohol should introduce the system like TASPO.
All of vending machine is write address like this. People can know address easily. It is useful when people lost their way and calling an ambulance.
When I carefully saw the roadside and the inside of the store again, I noticed that there was a vending machine a lot. There are so many vending machines in the town. We can buy drink anytime and anywhere. I thought Japan is more convenient and comfortable than other countries. I cannot part with this convenient life of Japan any longer.
Thank you for watching.